Now the second row multiply by the first column, 0 is multiply minus 1, second row, second column multiply by first column, second element is 0. The second row multiplication is complete by the first column. Now B, the second row multiply by the second column element. Now second row first element is 0, second column first element is 0, 0 multiplied by 0. Second row first element is 2, then 2 is multiplied by 0. The second row two column multiplication is complete. Now simplify in the next step. LHS is 1 multiplied by 1, then answer is -1. Note down the same position. -1 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Note down in the same position. 1 into 0, answer is 0. Note down in the same position. -1 into 0, answer is 0. Note down in the same position. 1 into 0 into 0 into -1, 0. Note down in the same position. 2 into 0, note down into same position. 0 into 0, note down into 0. 2 into 0, note down into 0. The next step, -1 into 0, -1, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. This is the value of LHS. Now we calculate the RHS side. LHS side is complete. Now we take RHS. RHS. RHS equal to AB multiplied by C. First we note down the value of AB. AB multiplication is given here. Note down. Multiply by C. Note down the value of C by the question. C is here. Note down. Now we multiply the matrix A and B by the matrix multiplication method. Row multiplied by column, 1 by 1 row. The first row multiplied by the first column, then we receive the first row element in the RHS side. 1 is multiply 1 multiplied by minus 1. One is multiply minus 1 multiply by minus 1 plus second element of first row is 0 and second element of first column is 0. The 0 is multiplied by 0. First row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second column element. First row is multiplied by the second column element. 1 is multiplied by 0 plus 0 is multiplied by 2. Then we come in the second row 1, the second row first element is 0 multiply by the minus 1 first element of the first column minus 1 plus the second element of second row is 0 multiply by the second element of first column is 0 multiply by 0. The second row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come second row multiply by the second column, then we receive the second row last element in RHS side. 0 is multiplied by 0 plus 0 is multiplied by 2. Now simplify the next step. 1 is multiplied by minus 1, then answer is minus 1, note down the same position. 0 is multiplied by 0, then the real is 0, note down the same position. 1 into 0, real is 0, note down the same position. 0 into 2, real is 0, note down the same position. 1 into 0, 0 into minus 1, 0, note down the same position. 0 into 0, note down 0 in the same position. 0 into 0, 0, result is 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 2, result is 0, note down the same position. Now we complete in the last step. Minus 1 plus 0, result is minus 1. Note down minus 1 in the same position. 0 plus 0, result is 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 0, note down 0 in the same position. 0 plus 0, note down 0 in the same position. RHS side is this. Now we check LHS equal to RHS. LHS, the first row first column element is minus 1 and the RHS first row first column is minus 1 and the remaining element of LHS is 0 and the RHS is also 0, then the LHS equal to RHS. Associative law is proof. LHS equal to RHS. Hence, the associative law is proved in multiplication, in matrix multiplication. It is clear, everyone? So first, the associative law of multiplication in the matrix multiplication is A bracket multiply by C is equal to bracket A multiply by B then multiply by C. First, we find the value of BC and AB in the given matrix. After then, we take the left hand side and RHS side, and we see that the left hand side and RHS side are both are equal, then the associative law of multiplication is proved. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the next question. Now the verify the matrix multiplication is distributed with respect to addition of the given matrix, or verify A bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, where A, B, C are given. Now we prove this result by left hand side and right hand side. First we find the value of AB plus C and AB and AC. First we find the value of B plus C. First we find the value of the B plus C, AB and AC. After then we take left hand side and RHS side. It is clear, everyone? B plus C is equal to, note down the value of B, plus C, note down the value of C, matrix C, now we add matrix B and C by the matrix addition method in the next step. The 1 add by the corresponding element of the both the matrix. 1 is add by the 1 plus 1. 2 is added the corresponding element is 0, 2 plus 0. 3 the corresponding element is 1, so 3 is add by 1. 0 is the corresponding element 2, 0 is add by 2. 4 corresponding element is 3, then 4 plus 3. 5 corresponding element is 0, 5 plus 0. Now simplify in the next step. 1 plus 1, Z is 2. 2 plus 0, result is 2. 3 plus 1, result is 4. 0 plus 2, result is 2. 4 plus 3, result is 7. 5 plus 0, result is 5. This is the value of B plus C. Now we find the value of AB by the matrix multiplication method. Matrix A is given here, note down, multiply by matrix B, note down, now we multiply matrix A and matrix B by the matrix multiplication method. First we check out the number of column element in matrix A. The number of element in matrix A is How many column matrix is 1, and the number of row element is matrix B is 2. The multiplication is not possible. The number of element in row is 2. Multiplication is not possible. The number of column in matrix, the number of column element in matrix is 2, and the number of row element is also 2, and the matrix multiplication is possible. Find out the matrix multiplication in the next step. Number of column element 2, number of row element 2, the multiplication is possible. Then find the multiplication. First element multiply by the first row multiply by the first column. The order of this matrix is 1 by 1 row 2 column 1 by 2, or 2 row 3 column to 2 by 3 to 1 by 3. The new matrix order is 1 by 3. To 1 is multiplied by the 1 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 0. The first row, first column multiplication is complete. Now we come first row multiply by the second column element. 1 multiply by 2, 1 multiply by 2 plus 2 multiply by 4. Now we first row is multiply the last column of the matrix, then we receive the last element of the first row. 1 is multiplied by 3, 2 is multiplied by 5. Now we simplify in the next step. One into 1 plus 1, 2 into 0, 0, 1 plus 2, 2, 2 into 4, 8, note down 8 in the same position, 1 into 3, 3, note down in the same position 3, 2 into 5, note down 10 in the same position. Simplify in the one into 0, 1, 2 into 8, 10, 3 into 13, 13. This is the value of A cross B. Now we find the value of AC. Now we find the value of AC. AB is, note down the value of A. A is matrix, row matrix, element 1 and 2. Note down. Into matrix C. Note down the matrix C which is given here. Note down. Now we multiply matrix A by C. First we check the order of matrix, how many row in the number of row in matrix A is 2, the number of column matrix is 2, the multiplication is possible. Find out the multiplication in the next step. Now if first element multiply the first row multiply the first column, then we receive the first row first column element in AC. So 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2 now the first element first row multiply the second column of the matrix, then we receive the first row second column element of the AC matrix. The first multiply by 0 plus 2 multiply by 3 the first row multiply by the third column to 1 multiply by the 1 plus 2 multiply by the 0. Then we receive the value of 1 by 1 to 1, 2 by 2 is equal to 4, note down 4 in the same position, 1 into 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 3, 6, note down 6, 1 into 1, 1, note down 1 in the same position, 2 into 0, 0, note down the same position, 1 into 4, 5, 0 plus 6, 6, 1 plus 0, 1. Now BC, AB and AC is calculated. Now we take the left hand side of the given question. Left hand side equal to, what is the left hand side? Note down AB plus C. A B plus C. The value of A, note down the value of A from the question. The value of A is here, note down. Into B plus C, value of B plus C. Note down the value of B plus C. It is clear. A multiply B plus C. Now simplify. The next step, multiply scalar. Now the number of column of the matrix is 2, number of element in the row in 2, B plus C, then the multiplication is possible. Find the multiplication by row multiplied by the column 1 by 1. First row multiply the first column, then we receive the first element of first row. 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 plus second element multiply the second element of column 2 into 2. First row first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the first row multiply with the second column. 1 is multiplied by 2 plus 2 is multiplied by 7 now we first row multiply by the third column. 1 by multiply by the 4, 2y multiplied by the 5. The multiplication is complete by each column of the matrix B plus C. Now simplify in the next step. One into two, answer is 2, note down is 2. 2 2 is 4, note down 4 in the same position. 1 into 2, note down 2 in the same position. 2 7 is 14, note down 14 in the same position. 1 into 4, note down 4 in the same position. 2 into 5, 10, note down 10 in the same position. Thus simplify. Add the value of each row. One element. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Note down 6 in the same position. 2 plus 14, 16. Note down 16 in the same position. 4 plus 10, 14. Note down 14 in the same position. LHS is complete. Now we take RHS side. RHS equal to note down RHS value. What is the RHS value? Note down from the question. RHS is AB plus AC. Now we take the value of AB and AC. Simplify above. AB, value of AB is here. Note down. Control C. AB value plus AC, and AC value is given here. Note down AC value. Then RHS is one plus 5, 10 plus the corresponding element is add of the both the row. 10 plus 6, 13 plus 1. Simplify in the next step. One plus 5, one plus 5 is equal to 6. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Note down 16 here. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Note down 14 to here. This is the RHS. Both the side, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Then the proof of the property of distribution, matrix multiplication is distribution with respect to the addition is proof. It is clear? RHS is equal to LHS, and the question LHS is equal to RHS. Both the side equal, and the given property of matrix multiplication is distributed with respect to addition is proof. It is clear, everyone? These are two main property of the multiplication. First is the associative law of multiplication is proof A. What is the law of A bracket B into C equal to bracket AB into C? Associative law of multiplication is proof. And the second is the property is matrix multiplication is distributed with respect to addition is also proof here. It is clear, everyone? Now the last question of the A and B is given here. Find out the value of AB. Now we calculate the value of multiplication of AB. Simple multiplication of AB. The value A find the value of AB. AB equal to, note down matrix A multiply matrix B. Number of column is 2, number of row is 2, then the multiplication is possible. Find out the multiplication by row multiplied by the column. First row element is 7, 8. Multiply with the first column 2, 0. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 0. 8 multiplied by 0. First row, first column multiplication is complete. Now the first row multiplied with the second column. First element of the first row is 7. 7 is multiplied by first column element is, second column element is 3. Plus the first row second element is 8 multiplied by 5. In the first row second column multiplication complete. Now we come the first row multiplied by the third column. 7 multiplied by 6 plus 8 multiplied by 3. Now we come in the second row multiplied by the first column, 9 multiplied by 2 plus second element is 8 multiplied by 0. Second row first column multiplication is complete. Second row second column multiplication, 9 is multiplied by 3 plus 8 is multiplied by 5. Then the second row multiply last column. 9 is multiplied by 6 plus 8 is multiplied by 3. Now we come in the last row multiplication. 6 and 5 multiplied by the first column, 2 and 0. So 6 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 0. Third row first column multiplication is complete. Now the third row multiplied with the second column, 6 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 5. Then the last 6 multiplied by 6 plus 5 multiplied by 3. So first row multiplied by the first column, 7 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 0. First row multiplied by the second column, 7 into 3, 8 into 5. First column multiplied by the third column, 7 into 6, 8 into 3. Second column multiplied by the first column, 9 into 2, 8 into 0. Second column multiplied with the second column, second row multiplied with the second column, 9 into 3, 8 into 5. Second row multiplied with the last column, 9 into 6, 8 into 3. Third row multiplied with the first column, 6 into 2, 5 into 0. Third row multiplied by the second column, 6 into 3, 5 into 5. In the last column, 6 into 6, 5 into 3. Simplify in the next step. 7 into 2, 14. 8 into 0, 8 into 0. 7 into 3, 21. 8 5 ja 40. 7 6 ja 42. 8 3 ja 24. 9 2 ja 18. 8 into 0, 0. 9 3 ja 27. 8 5 ja 40. 9 6 ja 54. 8 3 ja 24. 6 2 ja 12. 5 into 0, 0. 6 3 ja 18. 5 5 ja 25. 6 6 ja 36. 5 3 ja 15. Now we add 14 into 0. 14. 0 into 18, 0, 18. 12 into 0, 12. 40 into 21, 61. 40 into 27, 67. 18 into 25. 18 25, 43. 24, 42, 66. 24 plus 54, 78. 37, 15, 51. This is the answer of AB. It is clear, everyone? Now the multiplication of matrix in the property is complete. The property of matrix is complete and the scalar multiplication is complete.